Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
This is a fairly easy craft. We need a thick eraser block for this one. So what you need to do is make any shape that you like. We'll make a heart shape. Just draw it onto your eraser like this. And then draw a line somewhere in the middle of the eraser so you know how much you want to cut out. Now with the design knife, I'm going to cut out all the negative area, like all the extra bit that we don't need. So we have a stamp like this, which we can use with color. First, test it out on rough paper and then use it wherever you like. So this is your eraser stamp. You can use this to make cards. Hope you had fun doing these craft activities with your kids, and keep imagining, keep making more craft.